All right. Hello, folks. My name is Neville Shah, and this video is recorded keeping in mind the second part of the first assignment, which is to play with different kinds of AI and get some really good results. So I will discuss in this video a few things which I have tried myself. The first is Creator Night Cave Studio. So if I go through there, it takes some time, but here I created one image which is pasted here, and the keyword which I entered was Wonderland. For example, let's try out what AI thinks a person's Wonderland might be, and it generated one of the very beautiful image I have ever found. And second is when I changed the mode to artistic, and let's see if what's the modified version of the previous image. It looks something like this. So this is really a nice tool to play with and to get really good AI images according to the keywords that is entered by the user. The second is a DAL Mini. This is a model which is in uh, the Hugging Face website. So let's see it here. It is something like uh, oh, the screen sharing paused. Let me share again. All right. So this is a one. And this is what it looks like. And the model name inside the Hugging Face website is called DALL-E Mini. Here, you can enter multiple word keywords and it will generate the images related to the input, and some of them are really funny. For example, I entered dog eating a burger. So what the AI in the background, what the model in the background did is took a picture of burger, as you can see in all these images, took a picture of uh, the dog, and it tried different kinds of combination, which includes like dog eating a burger. And I really like to play this because it's very accurate, and we can even add multiple keywords. For example, the entered input here contains three keywords. That is, first is dog, second is eating, and the third is one burger. And it generated 9 different images. So it's really good. So one of the keywords which I tried is, for example, here I wrote funny Joker performing on the moon. So here, as you can see in this image, there is one Joker, there is a moon, and it is shown as if this Joker is performing. So it's really good. And let's try another one. Here I wrote a keyword where scary ghost frightened in a forest. So as you can see in the slide, there are two different images, the two complete different versions. The uh, background is a little bit blurry in the second, is grayish in the second image. Here, as you can see, there are three keywords. First is a ghost, maybe a scary ghost. Second is a frighten, and third is a forest. So the AI came up with really good images, and the result seems like as if even if we enter multiple keywords, it tries to cooperate all the keywords and generate the one of the best outputs. So here, as you can see, there is a ghost, and in back there are some trees, and as it is frightening atmosphere, so the time is night. So this was DALL-E Mini. The third one, which I just showed you, was a dog eating a burger here. Third is Pixray. Pixray also, this is also one of the good websites which I tried. So let's see if what it shows. So here I entered Taj Mahal at midnight. Now, as you can see, it's the output is not that good. But if you can see on the back end side, there is The Taj Mahal, it seems like that, but it's little bit the generated image is not at the best quality. Let's see another one. Here I entered is Manhattan skyline at sunset. So how does Manhattan look like at the sunset point? And this is what the tool came up with the image. So here there are multiple engines which we can pick from. And if I just pick the VQG and render engine, and this is what it generated. This really looks good as compared to the previous one. So here also I entered one more Pacific Ocean and sunset, and it generated really beautiful image. This tool also picks two keywords here. First is the sunset time, and the second is the Pacific Ocean. So as it is the ocean, it came up with some of the waves and the atmosphere at the top of the images, like the color is orange, trying to depict that it is the sunset time. So it's really good. And the fourth one is the hugging face. So here I tried the Big Science oblique Bloom model. So here it is, one of the ones. So changing into past tense. So here I just wrote some of them like arise, arose, become, became, forget, forgot, freeze. And then it came up with all of them. Like it tries to change every word into the past tense. Here is what it looks like. Then the second thing I tried is the translation. So I entered Hindi here and I wrote a sentence like to say in the inverted commas, my name is Neville. In Hindi, you would say. Then the blue color text is came up with was the output from the model, which is called Bloom, which is say like Mera naam Neville hai. So this is what it's pronounced in Hindi. It's very similar. And it's the output is really good when I tried. And it just wrote like the word Neville is a name of English origin. So these are some of the things which I tried, and uh, I tried to play with. I came up with 4 to 5 different websites, which was really good. Like some were image related, some were textual, like some were related to the text. And in the Big Science Bloom, there are many other things that you can do. For example, there is an imaginary word, like if this word might be present, for example, what poo, then what would be the word for like this? It's a small furry animal native to Tanzania. Then in the word unscratched thing, here even if I write a pronunciation which is not up to the mark, it will came up with the word like reciprocal, then dom me exclamation mark net. So it came up with dominant. So there are many such things to play with. There are some grammar as well, grammar exercises. So the model is computing. Okay, so the English which I was entered is she no went to the market. But the correct English is she went to the market. The no is not required. So it corrected as it is. So this is the model. Like these are the some things which I tried, and it was really good to pass on. Thank you very much. That's what I had.